So tell me quickly about yourself.
Yeah. So, first of all, thank you for giving me opportunity. This is Manishwini. I'm from basically Odisha, and right now staying in Odisha also. Apart from this, if I'm talking about my qualification background, like I have done with BSc Computer Science honors in Odisha, like with aggregate 8.8 CGPA, and also I did complete Java course like last 6 months, and that's all about myself, like my qualification background. So that's
Your pass out year?
2022.
2022.
Yeah.
So have you done any internship as of now?
Uh, no, still now, not actually. I didn't attend any intensive. Right now, I'm just looking for a job actually. So still now, not get any job actually.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so did you try with the fresher as of now, right?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, no experience as a fresher, you are trying as a full-time job.
Yeah.
So as of now, what is the primary skills do you have?
Yeah. If you're talking about like my primary skills, I'm good at like Java, core Java, and Spring Boot. Also some basic idea and some annotation included. And
Okay.
also, if you talk about like front end, as a front end, so I know just HTML and CS and JavaScript also little bit idea about, and also REST API good knowledge about in this, and also like microservice just little bit idea actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, I did complete one project also like major project like in my institute period, and like my project was like flight reservation system, and in that like project I used some technology such as like core Java. Okay, like core Java included like four pillars like abstraction, polymorphism, encapsulation. Okay, and like also I used some REST API. Okay, and also Java 8 features also. So these are included on my project.
Yeah, good. Okay, so let's start with core Java.
Yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. So do you have idea about Java 8 feature?
Yes, I have idea.
Okay. So in Java, in parameter as a 10. So if I
Yeah,
ask you to rate yourself, how much you can rate?
like out of 10, right?
Yeah.
Like 7.5 something.
Okay, good. Okay, tell me, what is the method overriding in Java?
A method override, right?
Yeah.
Hello,
Yes, yes.
hello,
Yes. Hello.
hello, hello.
I'm not audible.
Yeah. So method override if subclasses or like your oral sequencer that child class, okay, has same method as you declare in the like parent or super class, okay, it is known as method override, right, in Java.
And what is method overloading?
Overloading means overloading occurs when the method same class have but same method name but different parameter or argument that it or else you can call method overloading.
Can we override the private method?
Private method override like no.
What about the static method?
Sorry.
Can we
Static method
override?
static method, it means only you declare the inside the class, not outside the method.
Okay. So do you think a static method we can override it?
Static method I think no.
Okay. What is the use of a static method? Or what is the use of a static keyword?
Yes. First of all, I'm talking about static keyword. Okay. Like static keyword, static, or else you can say that static variable also. Static variable, included only just class or not object. Okay. But if I am talking about non-static, it included only object. If you don't initialize an object, then you cannot achieve non-static variable, right? So it's mandatory to use and create an object.
Okay.
Yeah, but static method, you can use only method, means outside method, not inside. Sorry, inside method, not outside method.
Okay. What is the primary use of this keyword?
This keyword, it you can use suppose reference the means current. You can mention the refer to a current object, right? It may be method, or it may be like constructor also. Like means this keyword refers to the current object. It's indicate to correct current object actually.
Okay.
Between class, attribute, or parameter, same name, so you can use like this keyword.
Okay, fine. How we can handle the exception in Java?
You can use and try catch block.
Okay. And what about
Yeah.
throws finally keyword?
Sorry.
What about throws finally keyword?
Yeah. Throws it's sorry, actually I'm right now didn't recognize.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Nice. Sir. So tell me, next question.
Yeah, sure.
In collections, do you have idea about collection?
Oh yes, I have.
How collection will work?
Internally, right?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Means for collection, it suppose I
Okay, just tell
means
me
yeah.
what is the difference between set or list implemented classes?
Yeah. Set. Hello.
Yeah, I'm a
Yes, please. Least, you can create duplicate element, right?
yeah.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, duplicate element. But if you talk about if you talk about set, okay, you can't create, you cannot able to create a duplicate element. And set it doesn't allow duplicate element, but sorry, yeah, set doesn't allow duplicate element, but list you can allow for duplicate element. And also list it null element, depends on your implementation, but set may allow null element, depends on implementation. And set implementation such as array list implement, such as array list, linked list, etc. And set implementation such as hash set, link hash set, and tree set, etc. Right? So if you last point, list, when order and duplicate value are needed, okay. But in if you compare to set, when a collection of any unique element is needed. That's major difference between list and set.
Have you used the map also?
In my project, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, map actually I didn't use actually.
Do you have idea about it?
Yeah, just a little bit, not too much actually.
What is concurrent hash map?
Concurrent hash map, sorry actually.
Okay, nice. And hash map, right?
Yeah, hash map.
So what is the difference between hash map and hash table?
Oh yeah, means hash map actually thread shape. Okay, thread shape, it's like a class, and can be share between multiple thread. But if you compare to hash map, it is not thread shape, right? And also if you compare to second point, hash map allow one key value and any number of null value. But if you compare to hash table doesn't allow null key or null value also, okay. And also iterator returns by the hash map are fall first in nature, but in hash table it can't create that and also hash map extends abstract map class, but in hash table extend directory class, yeah, that's
So hash map will not support multiple thread.
Yeah.
So while resolving the problem to support multiple thread, they have come up with the concurrent hash map or some other hash map
Sorry.
classes also.
Sorry, actually, I didn't get your point. Once again.
In hash map, we are
Yes.
having one exception called concurrent hash map exception.
Yeah.
In multiple thread will try to access at the same time.
Yeah.
So while resolving those problems, they come up with concurrent hash map. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, go to. Do you have idea about how to connect JDBC?
Yes.
What are the steps we have to follow?
JDBC, first of all, you create a database drive means suppose you have to create some table. Okay, so in that table, you can first of all you import the package. Okay, then register the any drives such as any kind of okay, and also second point create a statement. Okay, for like uh, whatever you want to record on this task. Okay, and then execute the query and also retrieve then close the connection. That's major
Those
step
are the
like how
steps.
to connect. Sorry.
Those are the steps to connect with the JDBC.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you done previously?
Yes.
Okay. In your project, what you have used to connect with the database?
Actually, in my project, I was connect with JDBC to Spring Boot actually. Means how to connect to JDBC to Spring Boot. Okay, using Hibernate.
Okay. So, for example, your project in a Spring Boot, and
Yeah.
you want to connect the database connection. So, what are the
Yeah.
steps we have to follow?
In Spring Boot, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So first of all, URL, and second user name and password. Then only you are able to connect with Spring Boot. Yeah. Am I right?
Yes.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so these are three steps to use connect with Spring Boot actually. So first one is URL and second one is username and password.
Okay. So, do you need JPA or something?
Yes.
What they will do?
Yeah, JPA means first of all, JPA stands for Java Persistent API. Okay, it is an object relation mapping, such as ORM. Okay, framework, and you that allow to map any means one to one, one to many. Okay, there is a mapping system. You can connect with the object to table in relational database. Such as- And it is used to suppose any relations mapping there are four mapping one to one, one to many, many to one, and many to many.
Okay. Do you have idea about AOP?
Sorry,
AOP.
API. Sorry, what?
AOP. Aspect oriented
No,
programming.
no. Actually, I haven't work actually, so I don't know about.
Okay. Do you have idea about Spring Boot security?
Yes, Spring Boot security. I know.
Okay. So, if you want to implement the Spring Boot security in your project, what are the steps
Yes.
you have to follow?
First you can use annotation. Okay, dependency annotation such as first of all you create dependency. Okay, then after that you can use authentication and authorization. Okay, then create first you go to Google and search Spring initialization. Okay, then you add some your requirement dependency Spring security. Then only you can use you such as authentication and authorization. And also you use one annotation such as for at the rate pre @p authorize for this annotation specify the means use control the method and control the method and class with the enter application.
Okay. So if I ask you to create a CURD operation, are you able to create?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So in a Spring security, how it will work from front end to back?
Yeah, sure. First of all, listen, CROD operation it stands for create, read or retrieve, and update and delete. Okay, these are the four basic functional of the to store database. Okay, CROD operation such as to user interface. Okay, allow the view, search, and modify the information, all details. Okay, and you also add some HTTPs action such as MVC architecture. First one is MVC architecture. M stands for model, V stands for view, and C stands for controller. Okay, first thing, if I'm talking about view, okay, view, what does it do? First of all, for example, I will give one real time example. Okay, then only you can understand. First you go to any restaurant, okay, and you just ready for whatever your requirement, such as any whatever you want to bring to something. Okay, so you just waiters just waiter come, and he will be asked started asked means any order or something like that. Okay, suppose the view model it's only just create front end part. Okay, you can use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, but then it's just suppose x x equal to 10, y equal to 20. Okay, just showing only just front end part, not back end part or not database, right? But then only just that requirement view model can do. Okay, then if I'm talking about controller layer, okay, controller is a it's control everything, whatever view will be like request to controller layer. Okay, controller it's a mediator, one type of mediator, right? Like view and model. Controller is in between view and model. Okay, so controller layer just hand accept all the requirement and follow, right? Then service layer, and service layer, what to do, service layer is a logical business logic. Okay, business logic, suppose it can be suppose just any it's all overall back end part actually. Okay, a service layer only just back end part. Okay, and then third part is a database. Database means whatever your data are required. Okay, whatever you want to data, if you create if you want to create a database, and if you want to retrieve the database, if you want to create the database. Okay, so that quality they will be ready with us. Okay, and the third part is repository. Repository means all overall it included it just suppose if I'm talking about
Yeah.
just yeah, just everything they will be managed.
Repository.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have idea about Bitbucket,
No, sorry.
GitHub?
Yes, Git, just little bit idea actually.
Okay, so Git and GitHub. So in GitHub, Git is just tools.
Yeah, it's version controller actually. It's a a version control system, and to manage the it will be collaborate the all the projects, multiple project. Okay, if you yeah, but in GitHub it is a cloud based hosting service, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you have
Also
idea
there.
about what are the commands we are using for Git?
Oh yes, I know command. There are lots of command push, pull, right? And also how to clone, right? And also commit. These are common command actually.
Correct. So what are the changes you have done in your project? If you want to post your code on the repository, you have
Yeah.
to take the.
If you want to change, right? Hello.
Yeah.
Suppose if you want to change anything in your project, so which command we want to use, right? That is your question. Or
No, I'm not asking the
yes,
question.
please.
Let me ask some other questions. Do you have idea about what is the difference between request body and request param?
Request mapping, right?
Request body.
Request body, it is used for only sorry, actually I didn't
Request
recognize.
param path variable. Any idea?
Yes, I know that annotation, but I'm not able to speak right now.
Okay, no issue. What is the difference between controller and rest controller?
Yes, at the rate controller, it indicates to only just controller part. But if you talk about at the rate REST controller, it define the wave service. It define the REST um, REST controller. It's define wave service, but in controller only just define the controller layer.
Okay. So actually, rest controller is equal to
Sorry.
rest controller is equal to
Request parameter. Request body something.
yeah controller plus response body.
Yeah, response body.
Okay. Next questions. Do you have idea about actuator and how it will work?
Actually, I know, but actually, I'm not. I'm just a little bit idea. Actually,
what is the difference between monolithics and microservice architecture?
monolithic. It's it will be convert big data to small data, like a big project to small project.
Yeah, we are separating the separate module.
Yeah.
To microservices. Okay. Do you have any idea about UI side?
UI. Yeah, just little bit idea. Yes, a little bit idea actually.
So if I ask you to create one login page within 5 minutes, are you able to create it?
Yes.
Okay. Good. So what about JavaScript? Do you have idea about it?
Yes. JavaScript. Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. You can ask.
No. Please. Yeah. Shall I start right now?
Yeah, I am asking do you have idea about JavaScript?
Yes, I know. But I know theoretical knowledge, but I don't have practical knowledge in that chapter actually. But more majority focus actually like front end part, not back end part actually. So only just idea, little bit idea.
So in your project, how you communicated your UI part to backend part?
Actually, be honestly, I'll tell you like for UI part to backend part. Okay, but if I talking about UI part, so you use some like HTML and HTML, CSS, not JavaScript actually, right? But in front end, I used Spring Boot, Hibernate, okay, like REST API and some microservice. But actually, I don't have knowledge practical knowledge actually about JavaScript. I know just basic fundamental, but I don't know. I'm not able to do practical knowledge implementation.
Okay. What about database? Which database?
Yes, database. I used on my project Java database as in MySQL.
Okay. So in MySQL, if you have a multiple tables and you have to collect data from multiple tables, what query you use?
You can use if you create a multiple table, then you can use a join for implementation multiple database one to many.
Okay. What is the difference between truncate and delete?
I don't know actually.
Okay. In database, we have a truncate, drop, delete. Those.
Yes. Yes.
I'm asking. Good noise if you don't know.